for a photo shoot. We just got in last night around 12 or 1 in the morning. And my photo shoot is at 12. I'm about to go get my makeup done. And you know, things are not going as planned as usual. But it's okay, because we're going to persevere. When there's a will, there is a way. And I'm just so excited. Are you? I'm so excited. So yeah, hopefully we achieve. This is our attempt to vlog. So hopefully we achieve that. We have lots and lots of fun and lots of things to record. So yeah, I got my manager on my side. They helped me out a little bit.
Hopefully we get here not too late.
Let's see, I don't care.
We got 31 minutes.
So I'll talk to you guys later. I guess. Hey you guys, so now that I done got my makeup beat to the guys, I'm about to go and shoot. What time is it?
It's about 11:23.
It is 11:23, and we are meeting up at a gas station. So, yep. Can't wait to see how this turns out, and I'm so excited. Do y'all like my makeup or not? She did a very good job. I'm pleased. What are we doing after this, babe?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Getting that makeup off.
And let's see how this goes. Yeah.
What he said, what?
I don't know. After a long day of photo shoot.
You know me.
Hey.
Oh.
Yummy. I deserve this. What's our plan, babe?
Right now, the plan is she gonna go ahead and go to sleep. I'm gonna go over there and get her a little swimsuit or something so we can go jet ski it up real quick. We're gonna see how much that shit costs though. But oops, my bad, mom. We're gonna see how much that stuff costs, and we're just gonna go from there.
Jet skiing. Can y'all believe I don't have no summer clothes, no shorts?
Swear by the hair on Sugar Mama's chin chin chin. You miss, mama.
When you ask your husband to go find you some?
You can't even throw shade because you can't see it.
Don't worry, I'll go call. You.
I think it's just dark here.
Even you can't be that stupid proud. What's it look like I'm doing? Oh, by the way,
exact same. Don't look at my bill on back. Come on, True, let's go. Yeah, we finna go jet skiing. I did right, baby.
Yeah. Let's go jet ski.
Yeah, I gotta find some on Instagram for us to do. What are we?
On Instagram?
Yeah.
For us to do here?
Yeah, tonight. That's how you know how to move. I think everybody homecoming this week.
Think so? It probably is. Find something to do, something to get into.
So we turning up morning, afternoon, night. Look, yeah, I'm heading out the window. This how serious vlogging is. We'll see y'all at jet ski, I guess.
Yeah. See y'all at jet ski.
See y'all at jet ski.
You got your ID? Well, you got your ID.
Do I? Cover girl. Yeah. That's the end of this review, you guys. I guess I'll go back to loving my new weave. Get you some.